We gonna get it started, man. Oh, I'm feeling so fresh tonight. Yes, yes. You know, I'm seeing all the beautiful people. Everybody rocking their favorite brands. Whatever your favorite brand is, it's whatever you wanna do, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I didn't always have it like that. We didn't always have it. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we had to do to look fly, you know what I'm saying? This is how I used to get it in. Hey yo, I used to go to the mall with $40 a hand. It ain't matter at all, cause I could go see my man down at South Square Mall, working at J. Riggins. Oh no, manager leave, he let me cop for the low, slacks and polos. You better watch that, boy in the Rangos, blazer and mock neck. Almost broke, but you still gonna see him at the T-game. Typical of things from Coliseum, man. Cause now I got on my good clothes. I'm sick of wearing hand-me-down raggedy hood clothes.
I almost landed that too. Fuck you, Dad.